Developing at 4:30, a major victory for police officers. The state attorney's office says the force used during the arrest of Markeith Loyd was justified. Loyd is accused of killing his pregnant ex-girlfriend as well as an Orlando police lieutenant. News 6's Clay Lepard joins us live outside the Orange County Jail where Loyd is still locked up awaiting trial. And Clay, this report says those officers used deadly force on Loyd, right?
It does, Ginger, and citing Florida's Stand Your Ground, it says that what those 4 officers did was justified.
Crawled all the way out across the sidewalk towards the units.
This chopper video is the only video known to exist, showing Markeith Loyd being arrested in January of 2017. Loyd is still awaiting trial for the murders of his pregnant ex-girlfriend, Sade Dixon, and Orlando Police Lieutenant Deborah Clayton. In that video, you can see several officers kicking Loyd as he surrenders before the camera pans away. As part of the investigation by the Office of the State Attorney, we've learned 4 Orlando police officers went as far as kicking Loyd and using the end of a rifle to hit Loyd in the face and back. Loyd is now permanently blind in one eye.
I'm defending myself.
You're going to defend yourself pro se.
But the investigation concluded that the officers were justified in using that deadly force on Loyd, citing Stand Your Ground. It goes on to say that officers were nervous at times when Loyd surrendered, especially because Loyd was wearing a bulletproof vest while he was crawling on the ground. That led officers to fear that Loyd might still have a gun on him, even after throwing these 2 handguns on the ground during his surrender. Sheriff John Mina, who was chief of Orlando Police at the time of the arrest, defended his former officers.
I had never absolved them of anything, but I was pretty confident in the fact that they would be cleared of their use of force.
A representative with Orlando Police told us that their own internal affairs investigation will continue now that this report is complete. As for Loyd's attorney, he told us, and I quote, "You can't publish what I really want to say." Outside the Orange County Jail, Clay Lepard, Getting Results, News 6.